Hello everybody, this is Kathy from KathysForex.com. Welcome to my channel. Sorry, my first attempt to go live didn't go well, so I had to come back and redo this all over again. We talked about what happened yesterday and the gains we had, which was about 150 pips. Then we entered the New Zealand session, which it gave me bunch of opportunities to enter new trades, which they're right here. I closed on a bunch of them. Um, and gain some pips from those trades that I entered on New Zealand session. Uh, my trades, my leftover trades from US/London session and New Zealand CAD, AUD USD, NZD USD, they all hit a stop loss, and pound USD, they all hit a stop loss in London, in Hong Kong/London session. They hit a stop loss, so that pulled me back a bit. However, I'm in track to gain all those lost pips back. So that's for that. Now we today I saw opportunity again, and AUD CAD, which we had exhaustion right here, and also a divergence on CCI. Enter the trade, and let's see where did I enter trade on AUD CAD. 91.05, and my target is 90.38, and my stop loss is 91.67, 1-to-1 ratio. All right, let's talk about other stuff. What else is going on? I'm already, let's see, AUD CHF. AUD CHF, it look like it has formed a flag pattern right here. CCI looks like almost overbought. So let's see if we get a breakout below this level. Let's look at the H4. That would be this level. Actually, this is a strong support. Let's look at H1. Yeah, it looked like it's gonna go up again a little. Okay, let's look at Aussie yen. Aussie yen, actually yesterday was one of those trades that I lost. Then I had another trade on New Zealand session, which I gained the pips back. Right now, overbought in CCI. Okay, let's see. Okay. Not a great opportunity, so I just let it go. AUD, NZD, Aussie New Zealand. Do not like it. Oh, look at that. I think this pair is going to come down to here. So not to that. AUD, USD, Aussie dollar. I entered on this one. Uh, uh, right now it's kind of, this is exhausted. Going back. Let's see what happens here. If this doesn't continue going and breaking through, because my whole the entire reason I sold on this was the breakout of this zone right here, this area. So if it decides that it's not gonna break through this level and it wants to go back up, there is no reason for me to stay on this trade. I will get out. Okay, so I'll keep an eye on this. Do I have it here? I do. Okay. Let's go back here. Cat CHF. Profit on that. Cat JPY, I'm already there. And this one, nothing special. Euro AUD. Oh, look at that. Look at this sold. I like this. I like this very, very much. This is very nice. Let's buy on this one. Shoot. Oh, ouch. Made a mistake. This wasn't supposed to be a sell. It was supposed to be a buy. Okay. Lost the people too. Lost 3 pips because of my mistake of clicking the right direction. Okay. All right. Uh, Okay. Entry on Euro AUD. Reason very simple. On an H4 we had a 180 move. Let's see. Now taking profit, that's something different. Let me go back to daily. All right, let's see what this pair has done. This pair made a move down, which retested the last low, moved up, to it should be this way, high to low. Okay, to 61.8 level of Fibonacci. And then after doing that, it came back down, right? It came back down, and this was our last low. It came back down, and it failed to create a new low, right? Then made a move up, it failed to create a new high. It moved down again, it failed to create a new low again. So what that means is the price is not deciding which way it wants to go. It hasn't decided if it wants to go up, if it wants to go down. So, and that's in the daily chart. That's the important thing. This is a daily chart that is doing that. So if it breaks, it's going to break the right way. So we know it's going to, if it breaks this level, it's going to go way below. So this is the stop loss. This is our stop loss. If it breaks this candle, it's going to go down here. It's going to retest this or retest this area right here. Okay. So that being said, now the point is taking profit on this. Taking profit on this is very simple. We're going to do low to high. This is the most logical place to take profit. That would give us about 60 pips. I'll take it. Okay. Zoom in. That's good. Okay, so we got this one going on. Let's open a new chart. Excuse me. All right, let's see. Not much of an opportunity here. Euro CHF, I'm already on this pair. Most likely I'm gonna take profit. It looked like I will be taking profit on this in about Uh, let's see. I'm 3 pips away to take profit on Euro CHF. That's good. Right here. Hold on. Here. It touched it once, but because of the spread, it didn't close. But it closes. Okay. I'm gonna minimize this. I wanna keep looking at this. Come on. Give me 2 pips. Okay, it's gonna close. Euro pound. Euro pound. We also got a pennant here formed. Euro yen. Okay. Euro yen. It looked like it's breaking through. Euro New Zealand. It broke the last low. Let's see if it'll keep below this low or not. Euro USD. I'm short on this pair, but it's been sitting there for, let's see, since close of the market yesterday. It looked like it's about to make a move down, which what I'm gonna do actually, I'm gonna enter another sell here. If it breaks below this, I like to add to this. And this is actually, this is a flat bottom pattern. Okay, so Euro CHF is still working on closing that 1 pip. I'm away 1 pip from closing this, and it really, come on, 1 pip, half a pip now. You can do it. You can do it. Give me that 1 pip. Pound Aussie. Pound Aussie. This looked very good yesterday. I did very well with this one yesterday. What is it doing today? Euro CHF. Hold on, let me look at this one. is the spread on this? Euro CHF. The spread is only 2 pips. I don't know why it's not closing it. You know what? I'm gonna close it. Waiting for 2 pips. And this is a 1 minute chart, meaning buyers are coming in. Let me get back there. Okay, let me close it. So just got 37 pips on that. Okay, that's a daily chart on pound Aussie. Nothing special. I don't really. If it was here, I would have done something with it, but I can't do anything here with it. There we go. So this is our demand zone, and let's see what happens. GBP CAD. Look at that. That looks good. That does look good. Let's see what else is out there. Hold on. Hold on. All right, I'm gonna enter this one as well. I just sold GBP CAD. I like it. I like it. I like it. Now, where do I want to take profit? I want to take profit. Okay. All right. So the 50 level of Fibonacci looked like the best place to take profit. So we do this right now. And let me go back here. And this look like a supply demand right there. So let's see where we are here. 73.19. That's the recent high. $73.19. Let's do 25 pips higher than that, so that would give us 56. Okay. So we got 74 pips profit versus 50 pips, a little over 1-to-1. Okay. Oh, this one is doing okay. Okay, so GBP CHF, pound yen. I love this pair. It's always it is always, you can count on pound yen to get some pips out of it. Pound yen, pound Aussie, these two are um, my favorite pairs to trade. Um, uh, it doesn't look like it, but I think this is, okay, this is a flag. Okay, here it is. Pound yen, we got a flag that he attempted to break through a couple times and was not successful. Let me look at this on a daily chart. Usually when there is an attempt to break through a resistance and it fails, it comes back the other direction and it just drops down. So with that said, I think this is a good opportunity to go short on this, but I want a better entry, because if I enter here right now, I'm looking at 60 pips plus another 25, 30 pips. So that would be about 80, 90 pips stop loss. And I really don't want to do that, go for 90 pips, because then I have to look for 90 to 180 pips profit, which is doable, but I don't want that much risk. Uh, Especially after last night that on Hong Kong and London session, I lost like 100 pips. So what I like to do is I'm gonna wait for this to get closer to up here. So what I want to enter a short somewhere in that zone. So yeah, I want to enter around this area, so I'll wait. Pound New Zealand, another favorite of mine. We got a flag pattern on this on H4 and daily. I'm gonna buy this. Stop loss below this. And my take profit would be my flagpole. Let's see. This is the flagpole. And this is the 50 level of Fibonacci of this flagpole, which end up to be the support. I'm sorry, the resistance. That's the best place. That's the most logical place to have my profit. Ah, I want that there. Okay, let me enlarge this so we confirm. What do we have? We have a stop loss at 115 pips. And then we have profit at 469 pips. Okay. All right, let's see what we are doing here. GBP NZD, that's fine. Okay, so pound dollar daily chart hit resistance. It's trying to decide if you want to RSI is not sold, overbought, I mean. Let's see. So we gotta watch this and see what happens. USD yen is getting close to hit profit here. I'm 10 pips away. What else is getting close to take profit? USD CHF. Getting close to hit profit. GBP CHF. GBP. Not this one. CAT CHF, 23 pips in profit. Okay, let's see if we got this. Look. All right, let's see if we can get this hooked here. All right. What else? What else? What else? So we like this pound dollar. This is a good trade to enter. The problem is not overbought. That's the problem. It is not overbought. New Zealand cat. Gonna wait on this. This is another one to take a look at. Actually, I'm gonna keep. All right, all right, all right. Okay, so let's keep this on a daily so I know what I'm doing with that. What else? New Zealand cat. We're gonna wait. New Zealand CHF. No. New Zealand yen. Yeah. Give me 1 minute. Let me take a look at something here. Hoo, 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 hoo. So let's see. All right, sorry, I had to get something here. New Zealand dollar is not overbought yet. USD CAD is not overbought yet. It looks like it formed a pennant and it's about to break through this and go up. All right, let's see. Okay, this looks like a good opportunity, but we need a little more buyers here. Okay, so we're gonna keep an eye on that. What else we got? All right, USD CHF, I'm about to hit profit. Let me see, where are you? I'm 10 pips away to hit profit. me see. It came to 1 pip of it, and it bounced out. All right, let's see what happens there. USD CHF, same thing. All right, all right. Okay, we kind of know what's going on here, so I will be back with if I make any new trades or anything happens. All right, I just entered a trade. USD, first USD CHF, that one is hitting target as we speak. We are about, let's see, 2 pips away to hit the target on that one. Pound yen is also about 10 pips away from target. That's very good. Um, I also entered New Zealand yen. New Zealand yen. We are looking at it right now. Where is my mouse? Right there. Okay. Enlarge it. Why did I enter this trade? Uh, okay. This was the last high. It broke. It went up. And then a huge, huge bearish bar. Look at that. Let me change the color on this one for you to see it better. A huge bearish bar came down and covered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 bars. So in 1 hour, whatever that it was bought, in 10 hours, it was sold. Okay? And then the 2-3 hours after that, continue selling. So I entered this trade right here because I think this sell-off is going to continue. The best place to take profit on this, it would be filling up this gap right here. So I'm going to put my profit 70.26. But I'm going to keep an eye on it and make sure that the market doesn't make a U-turn on me. Okay. A stop loss, I'm going to also leave it because I'm going to see what kind of a candle I get. But this would be my physical stop right here, 71.31. But my mental stop would be what I see that is happening. Okay, that's for that. Let's see what else is happening. Okay, USD CHF and USD yen still working their way to profit. Also, CAT CHF, we also have 27 pips on that. I forgot to mention this. All the trades that I entered yesterday on US/New Zealand session when New Zealand just opened up and US had just closed, I set the target on 40 pips. Just something that I had forgot to tell you. Okay. If I see something else, I will keep you in mind and I will let you know. All right, I'll be back. Okay, it seems like USD yen and USD CHF, both of them, they hit target, as you can see, uh, 40 pips and 40 pips. It looked like CAD JPY, CAD yen. Where's my CAD yen? Oh, there it is. Okay, it looked like that one is also hitting target. Right here is only 5 pips away. Okay. Our new trade, New Zealand yen, is going forward. Okay. All our new trades is going well, except, let me see. Oh, this two is okay. Pound CAD. Let me take a look at Pound CAD and see what is happening there. Pound CAD is not doing good. It is not doing good. I don't like it. This was the last high. Okay. Don't like it. It's getting close to the oversold, but it's not completely oversold. So let me see what I'm looking at here. 50 pips. I don't like it. I do not like it. Okay, that's a 50. Well, the retracement is complete on this pair. So I'm going to keep an eye on this to see what's happening. The other pair is pound CHF. It look like pound CHF. On this one I'm doing okay because I entered right up here. So I should be okay on closeout on this. As you can see, I'm positive on 2 trades. You see? Okay. This one is Euro USD. Euro USD. Okay. That one is okay. So Euro USD. Let's see what we are doing here. Okay, dollar is, I'm still bearish on this. I am still bearish on this. I am bearish on this. So Actually, this is more of a bat pattern. Let me see if this is 50. Ah, no, it's not. It is not a bad pattern. So the patterns are out. There is not much oomph in the buyers like yesterday. Yesterday, there was tons of power in buyers, enthusiastic buyers were out there yesterday. So today I don't see that. Today I see buyer, seller, buyer, seller. So they're still trying to decide. In terms of, is this a flag pattern? I don't see it, but let's see. It maybe, maybe. Uh, maybe. We keep this there. It's not, it should be a 45-degree, the flag pattern, it should be a 45-degree, which is this. This is a flag pattern. This is a good flag pattern. This is 45. So you have, it would be similar to this. This is a good flag pattern. Now compare this to this. This is more of a straight line. This is more of a consolidation than it is a flag pattern. So I would say this is more of a pattern we are looking at right now than flag. My mental loss is above here. Let me see. 42 pips. What I have here, 40. So 1 to 1. But let's see. Let's see what happens here. I'm going to keep an eye on this. Did the other one close too? No, that's it for now. So we got CAT CHF, CAT JPY also going on direction that I want them to go. Let's look at everything all together. What is this? Okay. How is AUD USD Aussie dollar? Aussie dollar is also working its way towards downward, but is trying. It's, I don't see much of a power there. which is making me pay attention to it. It looked like all the dollar pairs are the same way, but we should be okay. We should be okay. Okay, what else we got? That's our dollar, CAD CHF. Our CAD CHF came down to 5 pips up the target. CAD JPY. I go to hourly on this. It looked like there is a pullback with all the yen trades. Okay. Okay, USD CHF, this one was done. NZD CAD. What are we doing with this? Oh, we are watching it. We are watching it, making sure when it's oversold, when it's overbought, we see it. We're watching that too. This one we are done. USD, pound USD. We are checking this out. It looked like a flat top to me, but again, we'll see. Uh-huh. Okay, let's see what else we got. Okay, Euro USD CAD CHF. I don't like it when they go to couple pip. They go couple pips away from the target and they make a UE like that. This one was like 5 pips away from the target. Nice, 15. Yeah, it was 5 pips away from the 6 pips away from the target. Same as CAD JPY. We might have another opportunity. Let's keep it and see. AUD CAD. AUD CAD. Uh, oh, 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 oh. Okay, let's see what happens here. Okay. Okay, euro dollar. Buyers are coming in. I was worried about this pair because it was not completely overbought right there. And this consolidation zone is about to be broken. Uh, the recent high is 1.1089, almost 90. So we'll see. I'm keeping a very, very close eye on this to make sure um, not to lose too much pips on this. I can always get back in. Cat is turning around. I don't like it. I'm also keeping an eye on those. CHF is turning around too. Uh, be honest with you, I'm not that worried about this purse. I'm gonna leave it and let life takes its natural courses. Let me look at the daily charts on all of them. So this is my alert right up here. And let's see if this would hit or not. This is a big bullish bar. Cat CHF daily chart. You should be able to hit this. Cat JPY, same thing. I'm very conservative with my profit taken. Is only 40 pips, which is bare minimum after a move of 80 pips. So 40 pips move the next day is extremely logical. Same here. This hasn't even made its move yet. Aussie. Aussie, Aussie, Aussie. Okay. Aussie, Aussie, Aussie. Aussie. I'm keeping an eye on Aussie as well. Pound cat is okay. Euro. Aussie. Oh. I'm okay there too. AUD cat. I sold this. Okay. Pound New Zealand. I bought this because of this flag. And the goal is to take profit at the pole. Actually, I'm taking profit at the recent high. I'm being conservative. But it can't go as high as the pole. Okay, cat JPY. What a big U-turn from 5 pips away from target. Today calendar. We only have Aussie at 7:30 tonight, GDP news at 7:30 tonight. That's Eastern Standard Time. Okay, so I'm going to keep an eye on CAT CHF and CAT JPY. Okay, so it's possible that CAT JPY comes up retest the last support and does something like this. So we keep it to see what's up. I'm not going to worry myself about this. If it breaks through this level, this is strong resistance, yes, I will be worried, but not now. Nice. Euro USD coming back our way, is selling out, Nice. I like that. So Euro USD, we were down about 20 pips. Now we are down only 7 pips. Pound New Zealand, we are down 27 pips. I'm okay with that. My stop is at 115. I'm going off daily chart on this. And this is pound New Zealand. I'm okay with this unless breaks 1.9865, then I will worry. This to me is more like a retracement. So let me go to an hourly chart. So if you take, let me take this out. Okay, so if this is a leg, this is a retracement. Coming back, testing 38.2 level of Fibonacci and moving up. Actually, that would bring it up to here. Let me see if I calculated that correctly. Yes, I did. So this is at least in an hourly chart. So as far as our daily, which is that's where we are at, we're okay. We are good. Okay, let's see what else we had closed. GBP CHF also closed at 40 pips. I had two, close one at less than a pip and the other one at 40 pips. Good. So with those gains, I gained back whatever I lost overnight in Hong Kong slash London session that I mentioned earlier this morning. Okay, so Aussie CAD, Euro USD. That one is doing okay. Euro AUD also doing okay. CAD JPY. Let's go back to CAD JPY. All right, coming back down. We need this to move back down. Okay, so pound New Zealand, we just talked about that. New Zealand CAD, you're still waiting for this. Pound dollar, we're still waiting on this to decide what the hell he wants to do. Dollar CAD is making a decision right here. Okay, so let's see. USD CAD, USD CAD. see what's happening. This is okay. I'm gonna long USD CAD right here. Okay, my stop gonna be okay. Uh, okay, our trades are going the way we want it. Everything is going well, as you can see. Let me close this off. If you pay attention here, you will see that everything we wanted to do is doing the way we wanted to do. We wanted to go short on dollar, euro dollar, which we are getting it. Price is coming back down. CAT CHF is coming back down. We are about, that's 46 pip. Interesting. Let's see. Yeah, that's 44 pips. We are only 10 pips away from target there. Take this off. So, right here, actually, I'm gonna trade USD CAD in an hourly chart. I like it better. Boom. All right. Let's see. Okay, I think I'm gonna trade pound USD also in hourly chart today. Okay, let's see what happens there. I will have a more clear vision on that. If opportunity comes along, I don't see opportunity yet, but if I see opportunity, I'm gonna let go of I was going to say I was going to let go of New Zealand cat, but we'll see. Let's see what happens. Let's get our terminal back on. This is what we have here. So pound cat, pound New Zealand, euro USD. Okay. Euro USD, I'm gonna close Euro USD. I'm gonna take 10 pips loss on that. You might ask why. The reason for that is why I closed Euro USD. Hold on. Where are you? Right here. Okay. We have a strong bar here. This is a consolidation zone. So I wanted to see more of this type of a bar, like this bar right here. I wanted to see more of this type of a bear bar, but I don't. Instead, I see more of this type of a bar, which is a strong buy candle. Look at this one. Look at this one. This one. These are all nice buy candles. Instead, I'm gonna get into a buy if this red bar turns green. Okay, so let me take all those out. We still want our consolidation zone here. Okay, so let's get back to all of our charts. All right. Okay, so if we look based on profit and loss, we have Pound New Zealand at 11 pips lost, and that one is okay because I see it that is coming back up. I'm good with that. Aussie dollar, right here. We shorted this and we should be okay. We should be okay. GBP CAD. Why doesn't this look green? Let me see, what did I do here? GBP CAD. Oh, because our profit is at 74, which we should get it. It's not a problem. Okay, so let's get back to the way we were. CAD JPY and CAD CHF. All right. Okay, so we'll let it run and see what happens. I come back if I see anything more interesting to talk about. Okay, as you remember, I had entered USD CAD at 33.85. I'm sorry, 33.08, which was right here. It made a move. It went up about 11 pips and then made a U-turn. This was the stop hunters. He took all the stops for all those people who were shorting this, and it made a U-turn. As soon as it passed this big buy candle, I closed that because it's not a trade I want to be in. So I let it go. I lost about 11 pips on that, so it's okay. Um, I'm still in profit, about 80 pips. What I like is I want to wait to see all my trades fold properly. I closed my Euro USD as well. I think I talked about it. There it is. Um, let me see, what was it? Here it is. Euro USD. Also lost 10 pips on that as well. This was a sell. It didn't make the proper move with the sell bar. It didn't give me a strong bar like this. It's very indecisive. So I'm out on Euro USD as well. My only minus right now is Pound New Zealand, which is okay. It's kind of tingling in this area, and I'm entered on this on a daily chart, so I'm not worried about that. My two CAD JPY, let me get this here. Actually, hold on, let me do this. Because I want to keep an eye on these two, CAD JPY and CAD CHF. Here it is. Come on down. Okay. These two went to 5 pips of the target and made a U-turn. So I'm concerned about them very much. I know they're gonna hit the target, but there is good chance that if buyers get in, which I don't see it, the only set of buyers came in, it was this one right here, which it took profit. It took profit for all these sell orders here. So let me go to hourly chart on this as well. So this was taking profit on all the sales from here. I'm okay with that. What I'm not okay is having all those buy orders turning around and going the other direction. We have CAD, pound CAD is also doing very well. You see? Let's look at this in an hourly too. You see, it's doing very good. We're looking about 74 pips on that one. What else we are looking at? That's that. All right. So we're going to keep an eye on this too. I will be back if I see anything interesting. All right, we are on power hour right now. This is where London session start closing all their tickets and taking profits on whatever they were doing. So uh, I think uh, let's see what happens closer to 12 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, which is 17 hour of London session. Uh, Everything looks good. Uh-huh. Let's see what other pending trades I have. I'm gonna close this also. It's too old. What is this? Cat JPY? Let's get rid of that too. Okay. We are in business. Okay, my game plan with cat yen and cat franc, Swiss franc is we had a pin bar here. We had a pin bar here. It went up and then the price is coming back down. Now, if these sellers stop selling and start buying, I will close these pairs. Very, very simple. I think cat CHF it has more chance of hitting the target. This one is kind of tingling, trying to get out of this buyer's input, I should say, because they're not really buyers. There's not much oomph in this. However, we'll see. Cat CHF, we're on 30 right now, 30 pips. Cat JPY 26 pips. The rest of them are. This one is closed. GBP CHF. This one is closed. Aussie is working its way. Let me look at the shorter time frame. Yeah, we are okay. Look is okay. Yes. So pound cat, we are okay. Euro AUD, we are okay. Sorry about that. My pops saw a scroll off the window, so they decided to express that feeling. Where were we? Euro AUD, we are doing okay. AUD CAD, we are doing okay. Pound New Zealand, we are doing okay. NZD Yen, we are doing okay. Okay. Now, CAD JPY is kind of pulling back. Which Let's see what happens. Okay. This is a 5 minute chart on CAT-JPY. I just want to see, when I look at the 1 minute or 5 minutes chart, I just want to see what type of a buyers and sellers they are. So okay, I'm gonna close CAT yen and CAT CHF. Okay, I didn't like this pullback. Done with that. Let's get rid of it. What else do we have? Okay, I just entered a trade on euro dollar. Let me show you why I did that. This was a resistance that it was holding this price down. Actually, the resistance was sitting on here, but this was the zone. Now, yesterday we had this power bar right here, right there. This is this power bar. It gotta have a continuation. It gotta have another day to push up and get some more uh, buy tickets there, right? So if you go back to hourly chart, let me get rid of this box. Um, Here, the buyers took profit. The buyers here took profit. And when they finished taking profit, they started to buy out again. You see, they bought up here, they bought here, they bought here, and they bought here. So as you can see, they filled up their bag in the low price. So for me, the risk on this trade is right here below this candle right here. So if it does a 180, I close it. Otherwise, I'm going to hold on to it to see what happens. to show you something. There we are. This was the first one. Canadian franc and Canadian yen. Okay. If you remember, I entered this trade, both of them. And they came 5 pips of the target. They made a U-turn. They went back up. And then we had this bar right here. It went green and I closed that. Now it's making a move down. This one also is kind of coming down. It's coming back up. So what I wanted to talk to you about, it was regret. Remember, regardless of what happens to the price, if it, after you close it, if you make a U-turn and comes back and past your target zone, or the goal is to gain pips. Now, I understand sticking to the plan and all those things. I get it. However, for me, I want to make sure I don't lose the pips that I got. So if I see a sign that there's a possibility that this price might go up, might go against me, I will close the deal, regardless of what happens after that. That's what I wanted to tell you about. That's it. My other trades are doing all right. Euro USD, I entered long. It looked like he's struggling to make a move up, but it's okay. I like that because that means a lot of buy orders are getting together. All right. Let me look at the daily on Euro USD. This is the bar we are on right now. That's an hourly. It's okay. Let me go here 1 second. How's the ball in Japan? That's okay. That's good. What an ugly ass chart. Let me see what else. Okay, so looks good. We'll see. Let's see what happens after 12 when London closes. AUD came back. AUD CAD. Okay. We're good with AUD CAD. Pound New Zealand is a daily chart. Euro AUD. I might take profit here. It depends on follow-up candles. New Zealand yen is okay. And what else? AUD CAD, Euro USD, New Zealand Yen, Pound New Zealand, Euro AUD. By the way, today I will update the spreadsheet on the website so you can check it out and see the updated profits. Because I had lost uh, a lot of pips overnight, uh, today it really doesn't show how many pips we got. But the reality is today gain was another 150, 170 pips. But because I lost a lot of pips overnight, it kind of shows only 20, 30 pips profit. But it's okay as long as I'm positive, I'm going the right direction. I'm okay with that. Euro. CD. Okay, while I'm doing that, I think I'm gonna fix my calculator right here. This is my take profit. So actually let me do it on another pair. Let's do it on this one. So All right, everybody, we are getting close to the end of London session. We have 6 minutes to go. Uh, Let me minimize this. As you can see, um, it looked like all these are going the right direction. The only one that is uh, 2 pips below is euro dollar. Um, and we'll see. We'll see what happens with that. I'm gonna keep a close eye on that. Um, I'm gonna look to see what is going on end of U.S. session and see what else I can enter. So maybe be profitable through uh, New Zealand session and Asian session, and we'll see. I have to order a VPS, so I'd be okay overnight. Last night was brutal. Those trades, I shouldn't have lost that much money, but again, um, um, when you don't have VPS, you cannot set up your platform 24 hours to, to be monitored automatically. So I'm going to take care of that sometimes today or tomorrow. And I hope you guys really enjoyed this. Sorry for my mind kind of pausing here and there. I run 2 other businesses that I have to pay attention at the same time in the morning uh, session. So good luck to you all. Today, actually, I have only 20 pips profit, but realistically, if it wasn't because of the big loss I had overnight, today would have been another 170 pips profit. All right, have a great day, and I'll see you all tomorrow.